Hello, and this is a short video explaining how to model non-square objects, perhaps cylindrical objects, in FRI3D. First, I'd like you to open a file which is in the validations, a demo models folder, and you can open any of the basic demos. Let's open demo1b.FRI3D. And clicking on no for this if there is already a model open. Then we go and switch the compartment to the first compartment of the list, 100 test. As you can see, all of these objects are rectangular in shape. Although FRI3D cannot model cylindrical rooms in a manner which is exactly consistent with CFast and FDS, because CFast doesn't support cylindrical rooms, you can visualize it in FRI3D and have the boundary sent over to CFast. So when CFast sends the boundary, even though it's modeled as cylindrical, it will simulate it as a rectangular room. First, let's have a look at this object. Right now, it's a box. So if you want to make it a cylinder, you go to the zone item general mesh properties and change the spatial mesh type from cuboid to cylinder. And you can adjust the size of this cylinder by again scaling it in a scale mode. You can just select it this way. You can move it as well to this area here. So now it looks like it's modeled as a cylinder. However, when you select on this, it's going to take the bounding box of a cylinder and simulate. So when you select this and click on simulate and run a CFast simulation like this, it is going to simulate and display the results. But on the back end, it's going to simulate. So this has failed automatically, and that's what you're seeing. On the back end in CFast, it's going to approximate the cylindrical shape into a square shape because that's what CFast expects. I hope this answers your question. So in short, select the object, go to general mesh properties and change it to cylinder. You can also do other shapes, perhaps even a model geometry such as a CAD mesh. That's in the more advanced setups. But immediately, I hope this answers your question about modeling cylindrical objects. Thank you.